this lesson, we will look at the location and operation of the external lights. We'll start by looking at the controls on the external light panel, and then go on to view the uses of the lights during takeoff, landing, and in flight. All of the exterior lights are controlled by 2- and 3-position switches on the external light panel located on the left side of the overhead panel. Select each switch to see the light it controls. There are 2 strobe lights on each wingtip, one on the leading edge and one on the trailing edge. There are 2 red rotating beacon lights, one on top and one on the bottom of the fuselage. There are 2 runway turn-off lights, one on each side of the forward fuselage. There are 2 runway turn-off lights, one on each side of the forward fuselage. Navigation lights are located on each wingtip. The red, left-hand, and the green, right-hand lights in the leading edge, and the white lights in the trailing edge. Each contains 2 bulbs. The logo lights are installed on the upper surface of each horizontal stabilizer to illuminate the company logo on the tail fin. Two nose lights are installed on the nose gear strut. One landing light is located below each wing. There are 2 wing lights on each side of the fuselage. External lights are used for takeoff and landing, and some remain on throughout the flight. However, exact operation of the external lights often depends on your airline and local regulations. The beacon lights are 2 red anti-collision lights. They are switched on as soon as you receive engine start clearance until last engine shutdown. The navigation and logo lights are used during all phases of flight. Select the navigation and logo switch now to see what happens when it's moved to position 1. In position 1, one coloured navigation light in the leading edge of each wingtip and one white light in the trailing edge are illuminated. One set of logo lights comes on when the main landing gear struts are compressed or the slats extended. In position 2, another identical set of nav and logo lights is activated. The nose lights are used in taxiing and takeoff during both day and night. Click on the nose selector to see what happens when it's moved to taxi position. In taxi position, the nose lights come on at low intensity. In takeoff position, the lights come on at high intensity. These lights automatically go off when the landing gear is retracted. Each landing light, left and right, is controlled by an individual selector. The lights are used during takeoff and landing and can be used to flash when passing an opposite aircraft. They should be retracted after landing. Choosing the on position causes the lights to extend and come on. In the off position, the lights go out, but remain extended. The runway turn-off lights are used during ground operation for lateral area illumination. They should be used when flying below 10,000 feet to avoid bird strike. The strobe lights flash white and are used as supplemental recognition lights. In automatic position, the strobe lights are automatically switched on when the shock absorber is not compressed. The wing lights may be used at any time to inspect the engine and leading edges of the wings for ice accumulation.